stem cells. They're the building blocks of life, and they're changing the future of medicine in ways we never imagined. But what exactly are stem cells, and why are they so important?
What are stem cells?
Stem cells are unique cells in our bodies that have the remarkable ability to develop into many different types of cells. Think of them as the body's raw material from which all other cells with specialized functions are generated.
Types of stem cells. There are two main types of stem cells, embryonic stem cells and adult stem cells.
Embryonic stem cells are found in early-stage embryos. These cells are pluripotent, which means they can turn into any cell type in the body. Adult stem cells, on the other hand, are found in various tissues of the body like bone marrow, muscles, and the brain. They're more limited, but they can still repair specific tissues like blood, skin, and muscles.
Why stem cells matter in medicine?
Now, why is everyone so excited about stem cells? Well, they're offering new hope for treating conditions that were once considered untreatable. Scientists are using stem cells to repair damaged tissues, treat genetic disorders, and even grow new organs. For example, in heart disease, stem cells can be used to regenerate damaged heart muscle after a heart attack. Stem cell therapy is also being explored for neurological conditions like Parkinson's disease, where they could replace damaged brain cells. Challenges ahead.
Despite the excitement, there are still challenges to overcome. Stem cell research is a complex field, and there are ethical concerns regarding the use of embryonic stem cells. Scientists also need to ensure that these treatments are safe and effective before they become widespread.
The future of stem cells. But the future is bright. As research continues, stem cell therapies have the potential to revolutionize medicine, offering cures for conditions we once thought were incurable. So, whether it's healing a damaged heart, regenerating brain cells, or growing a new organ, stem cells are unlocking the future of medicine, one cell at a time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the world of science and medicine.